everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an outline around an image using Canva. So please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into it. Alright, so we're going to go into Canva and choose Create a Design and pick a size that you would like to use. I always just use Instagram post because it works for me. Then you're going to click Uploads and pick an image that you want to outline. Now for a regular photo, you're going to have to remove the background. This is a Canva Pro feature, but if you haven't checked out Canva Pro, I highly recommend it. So I'm going to click Edit Photo and then Background Remover. And I'm actually really impressed with this background remover. It does a great job. And then I'm going to scroll down to Effects and click on Shadows. Then I'm going to click Outline. And you'll see it default to black, and you can change the color. And then you can adjust the size of your outline, how thin or how thick you would like it. And then you can change the blur amount. You can make it a soft, fuzzy outline or a nice, crisp outline. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.